PharmCon. My name is Krista Clay. My pronouns are she, her, and hers, and I'm an advanced certified pharmacy technician through PTCB. We're learning some great self-care strategies here today. And of course, when it comes to self-care, we all have our own preferences. We all know that it's important, and not every strategy is going to work best for every person. But I wanted to remind you, and myself, that self-care isn't always warm and fuzzy. Sometimes self-care means establishing and enforcing boundaries for yourself, especially when it comes to work-life balance. Because burnout, unfortunately, is a real risk, but it is something that we can try to prevent by working together. Most of us got into this profession because we wanted to deliver excellent healthcare to people when they need it. So while you're out there doing that, I hope that you can enforce reasonable boundaries for yourself in the following ways. Take break times that you're entitled to throughout your workday to have something to eat or to take a minute to rest. I hope that you're able to use vacation or personal time if you're lucky enough to have it, even if it's just to stay at home and live your life. And I hope that you're able to encourage your colleagues to do the same and to support them when they do. And I say all of these things, not because we need you to be fresh and ready because everybody else is depending on you, which they may be, but because you deserve this for yourself, regardless of other people's needs. I want to thank you for being there in the pharmacy during this time, especially during this time. And I want to wish you a very happy Pharmacy Month. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. I'm Zachary Green, a PTCB certified pharmacy technician. And first, I want to say thank you for your valuable contribution to the healthcare team as we navigate a seemingly ever-changing pandemic. Second, I want to emphasize the importance of self-care. Every day, we are tasked with making sure others have what they need, whether it's from behind a pharmacy counter, over the phone, or in an IV room. No matter what our practice setting is, we are here for the patient. However, it is imperative to take care of ourselves because in order to be successful at what we do, we must first be in the best condition to do so. I start my day without any technology. I do about 30 minutes of yoga and 15 minutes of meditation. I make sure I'm not checking my emails or social media or anything like that as a way to start or finish my day. This way, I don't start my day until I'm actually ready to. And I know meditation can sound intimidating, but even a quick couple minutes to just close your eyes, feel your back on the surface you're lying or your feet on the floor where you're standing, and a couple deep breaths, thinking about nothing but where you're standing or sitting and the sound of your breath can be enough. I also suggest adding this breathing practice at any point in the day where you might feel overwhelmed. Take a few moments to yourself, close your eyes, and think about nothing but where you're standing or sitting and the sound of your breath. When you have a clear mind and are able to pause the world around you, no matter how short of a period of time that may be, focusing on that present moment where you're only breathing and simply existing has a lot of power. Thank you for everything you do. You got this.
Hi, everyone. My name is Ariel Clark. I'm a pharmacist, and I wanted to take this opportunity to share with you how I incorporate my own self-care into my everyday life and hopefully encourage some of you to do the same. Self-care definitely looks different for everyone, but for me, what this looks like is I spend 30 minutes every day, usually right before bed, completely unplugged, sitting down and reading a book. I have found that this not only sets me up to get a good night's sleep, but also just helps to refill me and rejuvenate my mental health so that I'm ready to take care of my patients the following day. I encourage each of you to find whatever self-care activity looks like for you and make it non-negotiable, because at the end of the day, nobody else is going to make time for you to take care of yourself unless you do it first and make yourself a priority. You're all doing a great job. If no one has told you today, we're all appreciative of all the healthcare workers who are on the front line of this pandemic, especially in pharmacy. And I just encourage each of you to find a self-care activity that you can make non-negotiable every single day so that you're taking care of yourself, so that you can take care of your patients.
Hello, my name is Verdina. I'm a PTCB certified pharmacy technician. I just want to say thank you to all the technicians out there working. Thank you for your time, your dedication, and hard work. But always remember that self-care is very important and to make sure you take time for yourself. Thank you and keep up the good work.